This tutorial guides you through creating a comprehensive AI-generated course using TeachSmart AI Academy. You'll learn how to set up course details, input objectives, and review content to build an engaging educational experience focused on YouTube channel success. Sign in as a teacher to access your TeachSmart AI Academy dashboard and begin course creation. Navigate to the Courses section where you can manage and create new courses. Select Create Course to start building a new educational offering. Choose AI-generated course, recommended, to leverage TeachSmart's AI capabilities for course creation. Switch to your Google Docs tab to access course content templates or notes. Select the course title and copy it before switching back to Course Management dashboard. Return to the TeachSmart AI Academy tab to continue course setup. Click the Course Title * field to specify the name of your new course. Enter the course title, such as Comprehensive Guide to Setting Up a Successful YouTube Channel, to clearly define your course focus. Select Other Custom Subject to specify a subject area not listed by default. Click the option labeled Features, TeachSmart AI Academy AI-powered educational platform, to explore subject options. Click the field labeled Enter Your Custom Subject to input a specific subject area. Fill in Social Media as the custom subject to categorize your course appropriately. Choose Intermediate to set the course difficulty level for your target audience. Select English as the language in which the course will be delivered. Click Next to proceed to the next step in the course creation process. Switch back to Google Docs to select and copy the course objectives, target audience, key learning outcomes, and what learners will be able to do after completing the course. Return to the TeachSmart AI Academy tab to continue entering course details. Click the Detailed Description field to add an in-depth overview of your course. Fill in the course objectives, such as introducing learners to YouTube fundamentals and providing practical guidance on branding, content creation, optimization, and audience growth. Click Next to move forward in the course setup process after entering descriptions. Click Review and Create to verify all course information before finalizing. Click Create Course to generate your course using AI-powered tools. Navigate back to the Courses section to view your newly created course and others. Click View to open the course details and review the content generated. Click View again to explore specific sections within the course for further inspection. Click Objectives to examine the learning goals set for the course. Click Concepts to review the key topics covered in the course curriculum. Click YouTube's role in content creation and audience building to see detailed content on this subject. Click Identifying different types of successful YouTube channels to understand various channel strategies. Click Setting realistic expectations for starting a YouTube channel to learn about achievable goals for beginners. Toggle Course Overview and Expectations to view a summary of what learners can anticipate. Click Activities to explore interactive elements included in the course. Click Assessment to review evaluation methods designed to measure learner progress. Click Homework to see assignments that reinforce course material. Click Case Studies to examine real-world examples integrated into the course. Click Resources to access supplementary materials provided for learners. Click Close to exit the detailed course view and return to the main interface. Click Edit to make changes to the course content or settings as needed. Click View to preview the course after edits have been made. Click Objectives to verify that learning goals are accurate and comprehensive. Click Understand the purpose and potential of YouTube as a platform to confirm this objective is included. Click Identify different types of successful YouTube channels to ensure this key topic is covered. Click Save Changes to apply all modifications and update the course. Click Back, to return to the previous screen or dashboard after completing course setup. You have successfully created and configured a comprehensive AI-generated course on TeachSmart AI Academy focused on building a successful YouTube channel. Verify your course objectives, content, and resources to ensure they meet your educational goals. Next, consider publishing your course or exploring additional customization options to enhance learner engagement.